Pull that back.
So the issue with this one might need some more, but
How many times are we going to run this?
so I'll say
We run out of time, which is half hour per.
yeah. Run it one time.
Okay.
Are you good on amp?
No, I am. I just need to know if I got to load more.
Yeah. Probably 5 rounds. We're just trying to get you out of the position rather than prone, you know?
Okay.
Basically, it's just one shot. However you want.
Okay. Okay.
Right? And then I say shooter ready, and then you say, yep, I'm ready.
Okay. All right, so I don't in a match, I don't get to come and check my position. It's all got to be from.
You do it when, you know, that's why you watch.
Yeah, it's got to be on the clock. Okay.
Yeah. That's why if you see people going higher, they're like this.
Yeah. That sounds like it. Oh shit! I've never been on here with my
Exactly.
bipod. I don't know. Maybe that's too high. We'll see.
No. Alright. And shooter ready? Yeah. Spotters up! Go. Front, ring gate in front. Get back. Right behind you. Get back.
You can do it however you want.
Yeah. Alright. So once you're done, bang
Next
out.
shooter.
And we check you for clear, then I'll pick up your brass. You're set.
Yes, I am.
Okay, so there's 2. There's your flagged up. Alright, clear. Find your brass for you.
Feels good to me.
Are we still doing 5 shots? Yeah.
Thanks for your help.
Oh, you're welcome.
That was fucking awesome. Appreciate it.
Next time we're gonna change you from one block to the next.
Oh man.